Hello, today's episode is Sculpting the Unicorn Horn. First, I have the turntable and Chvant NSP medium clay. I put the link for the materials, so if you want to try Chvant clay, please check the description below. And Chvant clay melts in the oven at 150 degrees. It's easier to sculpt and soft. Then I have a generic mold of the forehead, and I put the tracing plastic and mark it. Then I start putting on the clay. Briefly make the shape. In some area, I make the small ball, push it down so I know the thickness, little by little. I try to keep the sculpting within the range of the line so it doesn't go too far on other prosthetics. After that, I smudge it onto the positive mold. And little by little smooth it down, and I use a wooden sculpting tool. This process will make even thickness and less bumpy. Then I'm putting a little bit of shape of the horn. I don't know if I keep this, but I did it anyway. Then I use the rake tool. This will make even less bumpy. I add some shapes. Then I use a torch to make some areas smoother. Then duster spray upside down to make the cold air. Then I use sanding paper to blend all the rake tool texture. Then use the powder, baby powder, and chip brush. Some people try to use only rake tool, but I like to use different materials, different tools, and this one is a cap brush to add some skin texture. Then use a powder to take off all the sharp edges. And I use this skin texture tool to add more organic shape. And this is the second day of the sculpting. Sometimes it's nice to have a break and take a look at it again. You might feel differently. This time I didn't like the shape of the horn, so I went back to change. I use a black stipple sponge to blend it, and use a torch and use a duster spray to make it harder again. Then some skin texture. This is a sculpture of the unicorn horn. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.